Hey, to change language on your LinkedIn mobile application, you can only do this by changing language of your phone. So when you click on the left upper corner and open the settings, and if you navigate into the account preferences, you can actually find this information about the language. So once you open it, that's the information that will pops up. There we go. So now on your device, if you are using Android or iOS devices, and in most cases I can recommend you to start from tapping on the search pool and type language. From here you can find all of this related informations, so I can recommend you to go for this languages. And now from here you've got the language settings of your phone. So if I want to get Polish language, I have to click and hold on this icon, and I have to click to change to the Polish. And from here I'm going back into the LinkedIn application, and now I will get the loading screen. And as you can see right now, the language of my application has changed. And that's how it looks right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.